Hello, my name is Oleg. My my name is Oleg Kuzmenkov. I'm the founder of Seller Assistant, and welcome on Seller Assistant Office Hours. I know there are a few people watching us online. If you have any question, feel free to ask them in the comments. I will read the comments and answer your questions. And today I'm going to talk about what is Seller Assistant and how it helps Amazon sellers scale their online arbitrage and wholesale operations by automating catalog scanning and and with Seller Assistant extension. Also, we have some automations, but today I'm going to talk about catalog analyzer, which is a price list analyzer tool, and I'll explain how it works, how it can help you, how show some tricks which help you to work more efficient, and also I share our plans for for the near future on Seller Assistant price list analyzer and also on our supplier catalog. So let's start. I'll share my screen and show you how it works in real time. So to um, to start using Seller Assistant, you need to open sellerassistant.app and create an account. Also, I highly recommend you to connect your Amazon seller account. It helps us to fetch your seller specific information such as your fees estimates and your listing status. We can check if you can sell products on Amazon for you. So let's log into to the extension to the tool. Um, the tool itself have some infrastructure, which is purchase orders, suppliers database, and warehouses where we check your warehouse addresses. And also we have some tools, and it's a price list analyzer, the tool which scan supplier catalogs and show the profitability of the products. You can spot leads with them. Seller Spy tool, which shows what agents sell Amazon sellers. Bulk restriction checker, which check if you can sell products on Amazon. By the way, the bulk restriction checker is the part of price list analyzers. So if you want, you can check it like separately or use it right in the price list analyzer. And also the brand analyzer, the tool that shows some information about brand, how many product they have, what is their Amazon buy box rate, etc. And also we have extensions. Our main extension is Seller Assistant extension, which allows you to manually analyze products right on Amazon product pages and in the side panel view. We have IP alert extension, which shows information about account health issues related to products and brands. And we have a VPN, which allows your virtual assistant to access United States websites abroad. A lot of United States retail websites are blocked outside the United States. So your virtual assistant probably needs a VPN to access them. Also, we have some team settings where you can invite your virtual assistants. It's a convenient place to invite them because it's convenient to use these teams because you just give them. They use their own email to run under your subscription, and they never have access to your Seller Central or Google Spreadsheets. You just um, connect them to your workflow, and that's it. We have integration settings where you can connect Seller Central and Google Sheets for data expert, and also billing settings where you can set your choose your plan and see what's your consumption. Also, we have some partner section and help center. Help center is very useful. If you have any question, you can search them right here in the help center, explore our help articles, or even chat with us using this widget right there. And the widget is powered by AI, and it's work really great. It's answer all the questions you have. If you're still not satisfied with the answer, our support specialist will contact you. So let's start with analyzing price lists. So there are, in selling on Amazon is usually it's like a supply constrained business. It means that to to get succeed on Amazon, you need to provide supply because Amazon itself has a great internal traffic and people come and buy products. So what you need is to maintain a supply level, and for that you need to find profitable products. So, and only a fraction of products are selling great on Amazon, so you need to find them somehow. And to do so, you usually outreach your suppliers if you do an online wholesale, or you just scan retail websites if you do an online arbitrage. And once you have supplier catalog or a list of UPCs with the prices, you can upload them to the tool. We have a price list analyzer tool. And then you pick a marketplace you work for and choose the file. I have a file prepared right here. Right here. You upload it, give it a name, and then link a supplier, because usually a price list connect to the supplier, and I highly recommend you to link a supplier for those for your price list or your catalog, because when you then after you analyze the price list, you're probably going to mark products somehow, set the tags, likes, dislikes, comments, and after all, you're going to order those products. And the ordering products means you create a purchase order or like short list to order such products. And we have a tool for purchase orders built in the seller assistance. So if you connect your supplier, you'll be able to create purchase orders linked to those supplier. Let me show how to connect supplier like this. Just click here and click next. Then the tool asks you to map fields. And what we have is like preview of your spreadsheet. And we have a product code, which is what is it? Sorry. Product code is supplier SKU. Product title is the product name right here. We have UPC connect as identifier. By the way, you can use any identifier. You can use UPC, EIN, ASIN to run product analysis. And then you link your unit price right here, and then click analyze price. By the way, before you click analyze, you can also check and set some settings. For example, you can choose how you analyze your profitability. In this case, we have 4 options. You can use the current buy box price, average buy box price for 30 days, 90 days, and 80 days. And I recommend you to use average buy box price. Why average? Because buy box, the selling price is too volatile, and it's can affect your purchasing decision. Sorry, I have a question. I need to read it. And if show on stream, what happens if a product has multiple identifiers, like multiple UPCs per reference? It's a great question. Thank you for asking. In this case, the tool will fetch all the identifiers and show them, for each identifier, we try to find related ASIN. And sometimes it happens that one UPC code have a few ASINs. We show all of them. And if the identifier have, usually actually in a price list, usually it goes like, only one identifier, like one UPC. Sometimes it have like duplicates, but from the supplier catalog, usually it comes in in one with one identifier, and we find all the related agents. And sometimes like the same agent can goes for like single agent, set of two, set of six, set of dozen, and we show all this information, and you can see then adjust package quantity. Yeah, thank you for the question. If you have any question, feel free to add them in the comments, and I'll ask all them in the stream or after this stream on YouTube or LinkedIn if you watch recording. So the settings allows you to set your expenses cost for FBA logistics. For example, you have some shipping costs from supplier to to warehouse, and from warehouse to the Amazon, and you can set it like as cost per pound, cost per item. If you set like cost per pound and cost per item, it will be calculated like we get like product weight multiplied by shipping cost per pound, and add shipping cost per item right here. Also, you can set your expenses for labeling, prep and labeling. If the product is fragile or hazmat, we also can add some surplus for those products. And nowadays, Amazon charge you inbound placement service fee, and there are three options. If you choose optimal shipping splits, it means like Amazon doesn't charge you anything. But if you choose some minimal shipping splits or partial shipping splits, we will apply. Amazon usually charge you in a range depending on how many warehouses you ship to. And it's like a range. So we use in our calculation, we use a higher limit in our calculations. So this is how it works. If you work on Europe or your Amazon account registered outside the United States, you usually pay some VATs on seller fees. If you don't have any reseller certificates, you're probably subject to sales tax. But if you do wholesale, you have a reseller certificate, so you don't apply sales tax for your business. And also, you can add some additional cost expenses, or for example, you have some discounts, cashbacks for credit cards, or credit card charge surplus, so you can add it right here. All these settings except the selling price you can change after price list has been analyzed. So if you forgot to set your expenses, you can recalculate it after we match all the agents. So one more thing is that these settings, it's not default setting. Default settings are configured in cost settings under price listenizer menu item, but these settings is like override your default settings. So they applied specifically for this current catalog you're going to analyze. So if you want to set default settings for all future analysis, you need to set up them in cost settings under price list analyzer menu item. So let's click analyze price list. What happened right now? The system gets your price list and put it in a queue, and then it starts to matching UPCs to related agents on Amazon. And the tool works without Amazon account connected. it works pretty fast, and it can take like few minutes, 10 minutes, depending on how many products you have and how fresh these data. So sometimes we fetch new data, sometimes we have a data, already have it. So in our case, the price list has been analyzed in a few minutes. As you can see, like it's analyzed 700 products real time. And let me update the page. As you can see that we just found 29 leads. We uploaded 700 identifiers, found 684 price agents, and analyzed, and 29 of them are profitable and considered as leads. Let's check it. I click open, and now we have a list of um, we have a table of agents which contains a lot of data points, and also it contains original price list columns like product code, product name, etc. Those data goes from your original price list. So what we can do right now, we can choose. Actually, we have a list of views right here. Like primary data set have a lot of columns are turned on. Maybe you don't need all of them. I believe you don't need all of them, so you can set your own columns order, and you can click turn on or off some columns. You can rearrange them, like you can bring brand in front of title, for example, and then you can create your own view. Let me save it as a demo view, then something like that. When you create a view, we save all the columns configuration, and also we save filter settings. Sorry. What do the let me show it in the screen. What do the red shades rows? Like it's yellow shades. We highlighted some products with warnings. We just found that some products have no FBA fees. It happens if the product has never been on Amazon FBA. And in this case, FBA fees, where is the... Yeah, FBA fees are empty. Oh, sorry, I just misclicked. Yeah, we have some warnings which shows you like important information. For example, some products doesn't have FBA fees, or some products ROI exceeds 20%. It means that something wrong with the pricing, or maybe with the package quantity. So we can open it and check what's wrong with it. By the way, this is a server assistant extension, and also it can be open in the side panel. So we highlight those products, and they are subject for manual checking. Yes, yellow mean warnings. Yellow mean warnings, and to filter those products, you can choose our filters. It's very powerful filters. Warning, and you can find some warnings like too high ROI or too low FBA ROI, set or bundle, or like approval required, restricted, no costs. Sometimes you upload the products and the cost field doesn't have any value, and we still analyze the product using the zero as a product cost, but we highlight it. And if you filter those products, no, in this price list we don't have those. We highlight it, and in this case you can check product cost with your supplier and find what are the real costs. Or for example, we some products never been on Amazon FBA, and we don't have FBA fees, so like you can filter those products and check them. Usually they suitable for selling using FBA model. And also we highlight products with no buy box. You can select products with no buy box and check check them. Just filter them and save them as a view. For example, demo view no buy box. We save it. Looks like we just broke 7 views. I'll check with my team. So usually you save the view, and access is it's each time you want, so you can preset views for future use. And um, also we have a listing restriction field right here. To make it work, you need to connect your Amazon seller account. And how it works, you just select products like you want to check. For example, I want to check potential leads, the products with ROI 20% with a profit at least $2 FBA. So I'm going to select them and check restrictions. In this case, the system start checking restrictions, and it works this way. If you have Amazon seller account connected, we get you all the items you selected and send them to Amazon to check if you can sell those products. Once we get this information, we show it right here in the price list, and then you will be able to analyze products using this data. Like you'll be able to filter eligible products for selling. So just checking. Also, you can select products and create a purchase order. Add them to purchase order. Select the quantity of product, and as I mentioned before, if you have supplier connected to the product to the price list, you can just add products to the purchase order, and then you'll be able to download it and send to your supplier. The purchase order have supplier connected warehouse where you're going to send it. Usually it's like, for warehouse, we just use address and that's it. Purchase number, purchase order number, a responsible person, and purchase order status. Also, we have a progress bar, which indicates if you reached minimum order value to get free shipping, and if you reached like minimum order value and free shipping order value. And also you can add, remove products from there like this. And all the information reflects right here on the product, on the summary. So like I just delete some products, and as you can see, the minimum order value is reached, but I still need to add some products to get a free shipping. So we can adjust product quantity right here to in this case, like minimum value is reached. And also we can add products using this button. In this case, we fetch some data from the price list you uploaded. And also we have we have ability to search products from entire catalog. But if we do search entire catalog, we will not have costs attached to product. We just found the product and with no costs. It means the product is not come from the supplier catalog. It comes from just from Amazon, and that's it. So this is how it works. Let me show you supplier. The supplier is like for today's supplier is simple enough. You just add the supplier website. Like um, let me add something. You know. Okay, you just add a supplier website, a supplier title, connect default warehouse where you're going to ship products to, and add contact details, some email, for example, and then you'll have a simple supplier detail page with their website, with their status, responsible person from your list, connected warehouse, website address, phone number, email, like it's contact details, business type, like are they brand or distributor or who they are, payment method they accept, payment terms you work on, and currency. Also, you can leave some notes to your supplier right here and check minimum order value, shipping order value, average lead time, and mark if they sold products in cases. So this is how it works. To this week, tomorrow, we're going to release like more beautiful card for them. Let me show. On the dev server. It's not released, but it will be released soon. So the product card will looks like this. The product card will have a list of products, brands sold by the supplier. We get these brands from price list. When you upload the price list, we get those brands. And also we have a list of price list analyzed with under this supplier, and list of purchase orders. Detail page I just show you, and also like every review page with quick, like with the cards and quick links to brands, price list, and purchase orders. So, and also we're going to add in our price list, we're going to add a tax like this. This feature is not released, but it will be released tomorrow. So you can tag any products on your supplier price list. It will useful to to set to build a list, like products to check them again in a few days, for example, or products to put them to to the purchase order, and you'll be able to filter products by tax like this. What's else interesting about price list analyzer is that you can link like or dislike products and set some notes, and those notes will be synchronized with the Chrome extension you use. So if you analyze products you manually analyze products on Amazon product pages with the extension, you can hit the like or dislike, or put some notes, and all this information also will be shown right here in the price list analyzer. So our big idea is to bring all tools together and build like some kind of workflow tool for wholesaler and online arbitrage. So starting this week, or starting the next week, we're going to create a product catalog where we're going to store all the products you analyzed, and you'll be able to run some reanalysis for products. You will be able to build your own catalog and like lead lists. So this is what we are moving to. Okay, do you have any questions? Maybe you want to yeah, yes. So David, what is your question? Your wholesaler sends list every week, right? So you want to analyze it somehow. So what you can do if you have um, a list from your supplier. Yeah. Every time I run a list, do I use a part of my quota even if they are same products? Unfortunately, you use all your quota, and I mean, if you reanalyze products, yeah, you consume the quota. And I explain you why, because um, the data we use to analyze products, it costs for us some money. Even Amazon going to charge us, like it's free from Amazon, but we buy this data from Keepa. Yeah, you know this service. We buy this data from Keepa and build on top on it like price list analyzer. But some data comes from Amazon, and Amazon going to charge us in March. So what I expect that all scanning tools like ours and all tools that serve Amazon sellers will raise their prices. And unfortunately, it's like reality. And if you reanalyze product, we have to fetch new data. Like we have to fetch new prices, and it costs us money, and that's why reanalysis will consume your quota too. Makes sense. Yeah. With the new catalog feature, will I be able to see the history of analysis of the each product? Um, when you analyze a product, we at this point I don't think so, but like if you have this idea, you can submit it to our feedback service, like feedback at seller assistant at app, and here you can create your idea. Just create, submit idea, and we will learn it, and figure out if we can add this. But right now, we do right now, we are going to add. First of all, like we need to connect. Like we're going to create a product DB for one single purpose. The product entity is like main entity which connect everything. Like it's connect price list, suppliers, and products on Amazon and different like websites. So and at the moment, Seller Assistant have price list, it analyze like products, it have suppliers, it have the extension which analyze products, but we don't store we don't have a central DB for products you analyze. And this is a problem for us, because if we were have this feature, it would much easier to run different features based on it. So for example, what we're going to do, um, like I have some mocks, but it's not like it will be let me show something for you. Product PLA features. I'll show you some mocks of what we're going to do. Like the main idea is to have it's mocks. It's not real. This is not how it looks like. So the main idea is to have a list of products you work with, and each product usually have likes, dislikes, notes, and tags. And also each product have a supplier. So what we're going to do is to connect those dots. We want to connect supplier offers from the price list, the product, tags, notes in one single product, in one single table, which is product DB. And from this product DB, you'll be able to manage your suppliers for those products. You will manage to find, like, you will see the all the authors from the suppliers. You will be able to see tags and notes for the product. And from this product DB, you'll be able to run price list analyzer. And I think we're going to rename price list analyzer, because it's like catalog analyzer. It analyzes not only the price list, but it's analyze catalogs of products. So we're going to, for example, if you want find the product supplier with a suitable product, and you mark product with tags like, products to work with, and products you to watch, right? For example, products are seasonal, or yeah. So the problem that people use spreadsheets, and they don't able to reanalyze products in bulk. So we're going to solve it. But this feature will be released next year, maybe in January, maybe in February. I'm not sure. It's in our backlog. So in our roadmap, it's like internal roadmap. So and history of analysis for product, it's a great idea, and I think in second or third versions of the product DB you will be seeing. So more questions? By the way, we also allow you to do some integrations with the seller assistant using Make and Zapier. And if you're interested, go and check out our integration page, seller assistant integrations, and you can go for Zapier, for example, and Zapier allows you to, or like Make with Zapier, and Make allows you to fetch some information from Amazon account right to any tool you use. Like if you use spreadsheets, you can fetch information, your eligibility to sell, the product statistics, even the whole keep a product, you can able to fetch run get keep a product, like get product information from Keepa right in your product page. If you're interested in that, find our previous office hours where I show how it works. So I think this is it for now. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask them in the comments. Oh, I'm good. The yellow rose were killing them because I didn't understand. Sorry. I'll repeat about their yellow rose. So all products, when you have a list, a spreadsheet of 800 products, it's difficult to find like those products you need. It's difficult to find products with some specific marks. So you can find them using filters. You can you always can filter out product with too high ROI or too low ROI, but uh, you know or you can filter out products without ROI. But we decided to make it a little bit easier, and we highlighted those products. So that's why they are yellow. Okay, so I think this is it for now. Thank you for watching. Feel free to ask me any question in the comments. This My name is Oleg Kuzmenkov. I'm the founder of Seller Assistant. You are watching Seller Assistant Office Hours. See you next Wednesday, the same time. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and have a great sales on Amazon. Bye. And don't forget to try Seller Assistant. You can try it for free for 14 days. Try Seller Assistant. It really helps. We use Seller Assistant Price List Analyzer and extension in our business, and it's like only the tool we use for analyzing products. Bye.